Hi, I'm Haven O'Halloran, your favorite real estate advisor. I bring you Corte Madera today. I want to tell you a little bit about this really fantastic town. A lot of people know that Corte Madera has excellent schools and it has great shopping. So I thought I'd share with you a little bit more about how people live and enjoy this town. First, the two shopping centers. They are hubs for everyone to gather. The first one is the Village, and it has wonderful shopping of on-trend brands and everything that is a little more high-end, a little bit more sophisticated. So you've got shops like Alo, Nordstrom's, Bonobos, and New Balance. Really great places, and the shopping center is open air, so you can really enjoy the fantastic weather that Corte Madera has to offer. It also has an incredible restaurant at Restoration Hardware, where it's a rooftop restaurant over their retail shop. And that is an experience to be had. I absolutely enjoy having special occasions there. If you're looking for a San Francisco favorite, Boudin Bakery is also located at the Village, and you can come enjoy some great San Francisco sourdough, and they'll even put your clam chowder in a sourdough bowl. So I absolutely love going to the Village. The town center is on the other side of the freeway, and both the Village and the town center can be walkable, depending on where you live in Corte Madera. The town center has some everyday shops, things that you're always going to need. It has REI, so when you're getting ready to do an outdoor adventure, you've got your REI. It has the Container Store, so when you're ready to organize and get all your ducks in a row, you can go to the Container Store. They have really great help there too. I love it. It has great restaurants. The Blue Barn is my favorite. I absolutely love the tomato mozzarella caprese sandwich that they make with a little bit of pesto. That is my favorite. I have to use huge restraint to not go to the Blue Barn every time I'm near one. And then let's see, C's Candy is there, so you can't miss that. And I absolutely love the Pacific Catch, which is a unique restaurant that has a lot of Asian favorites like poke bowls, which is one of my favorites. The other great thing about Corte Madera is its town center park. My kids actually grew up going to the town center park every single summer because their recreation program is so robust that we would always be able to find things that they would want to do at the Corte Madera, through the Corte Madera Parks and Rec. So great location for that. And then every 4th of July, they have a truly Americana 4th of July parade. And everybody at the end of the parade gathers at that park and they picnic, and all people are represented. It's a really fantastic place to just live and be and have a place where you truly build community.